Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You have the latest patch and an active online account because stability matters for timed drops. Once done, raise a player to level 25 and unlock the Arena Challenge. This is required to trigger the Zeus path. Then, go directly to the main hub and locate the Zeus event icon. Accept the Lightning Bolt quest immediately so timers start. Make sure to carry 3 energy boosts. They keep you in rotation without waiting for regen. You now tackle the core objectives. Complete 3 arena matches while the lightning modifier is active because that modifier raises the bolt drop rate. During matches, switch to a speed-focused 4-3-3 and field a striker with 95+ speed to maximize counter chances. Once in attack, chain 2 perfect passes to build the meter and take a zone shot from the penalty arc to trigger the special animation. If you execute these consistently, your drop probability rises each successful run. Finish by returning to the event hub and opening the reward chest. This is where the Zeus lightning bolt appears if you succeeded. If you don't see it immediately, check your in-game inbox and pending rewards. Sometimes items are delivered there after a server sync, so wait up to 24 hours. If still missing, run 1 additional arena match using an energy boost to re-roll the bolt probability. This method often forces the drop engine to reevaluate and award the bolt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.